Counties which are not in the disease zone have also been recording high infection numbers, with the Ministry of Health being confident that the measures put in place by President Uhuru Kenyatta will see the coronavirus curve flatten. Our health and science reporter Beldine Waliaula has more.
Containment measures in a bid to curb the spread of COVID-19. It is now almost 3 weeks and the curve has been fluctuating instead of being on a steady decline. In the past 5 days, the average positivity rate has been 17.4%. The government is upbeat over the progress.
So the pressure on the healthcare system is now decreasing. We are recording fewer cases of patients being admitted into the critical care units and in the health facilities. So now it is slightly easier to get an ICU bed, not like before. And also the positivity rate has been declining.
There has been concerns regarding counties which are not in the disease zone but still recording high infection rates, with the county of Uasin Gishu being the most affected. In the last 5 days alone, Uasin Gishu has recorded almost 180 new infections, but the Ministry of Health attributes this to the community spread of the virus.
Well, Uasin Gishu is along the northern transport corridor, with lots of movement. You know, when we did the lockdown, we didn't stop trade. So trucks and other vehicles conveying public goods still move. And you can see the pattern of transmission along the corridor is still a big challenge. Yeah, so it's just because of that movement. And of course, now in this phase of the pandemic, we are in community transmission mode. So it's not unexpected that big urban centers will be able to report significantly higher numbers of cases.
This comes as 1,041 cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the country in the last 24 hours, from a sample size of 7,753. Total recoveries in the country now stands at 100,980 after 343 people recovered in the last 24 hours. 260 patients are in the intensive care unit, while 19 patients have succumbed to the virus. Beldine Waliaula, KT News.
Thank you, Beldine, for that one. And on to some diplomatic news. Baringo